Morning.
Morning, Jizzy.
Happy ride day.
Happy ride day. Woo woo. Survived another week.
Sure did.
Man.
It's October 25th.
Yeah.
We actually got some rain yesterday.
We did.
Rain coming today.
Yep.
So no dust.
Yeah, we're living on the wild side today.
Let alone it'll make for the nice fall vibes.
Oh man, I'm excited.
It'll be pretty today.
Yeah. I love a good fall rainy. Hopefully it gets a little foggy.
Ooh, that'd be cool.
Yeah, what are we doing today, sir?
Well, we're gonna go to Combs like normal, get some breakfast.
Yeah, GC's hungry.
Starving. And then we're gonna, I think, go on down to Spainhour.
Oh.
I think it should be kind of going today. They got a little more rain down that way, I believe, than we did up this way.
What's a Spainhour?
Spainhour is a waterfall.
But what's really cool about Spainhour?
It's a dead-end trail, but it's a pretty long trail, but it has so many creek crossings.
Yeah.
And I think the little creeks will actually be going, so it should be really pretty.
And hopefully there'll be some color popping. That'd be epic.
Man, I don't remember how many creek crossings. 10?
Yeah.
10, 15 of them, probably?
Yeah, between 10 and 15.
It's just a really pretty trail. It is a long journey to get down there, so
yeah.
that'll be part of the adventure, too.
Yeah, it's going to be a big old loop today, so we are going to track it for y'all.
We will go by 4290 Falls. That should be going.
Yeah.
That's a pretty long fall, so.
We're going to see all the scenic stuff today.
Yes.
And
should be a good time.
Yeah, we will be tracking it.
Yep, on Onyx.
On Onyx, so we'll share that over on the Patreon if you're interested in repeating the track. It's going to be a good one.
It should be.
We're going to take all just legit roads and trails, and
yep. We're going to do a little bit of trails, a lot of roads, and a little bit of highway, so.
I think we do also go by Grumpy's, so there will be a food stop if you're...
Possibly, yeah.
Yeah, maybe. I think
see how
so.
time goes.
Yeah. Yeah, so it's going to be a small group, just a couple side-by-sides are riding behind us.
Yep.
And we've got our friends, because, you know, it's still October.
It's still October.
Yeah.
I get to ride, but.
That's Michael and Jason back there. They're not very talkative.
They're not talkative, but the one thing they don't do is complain.
That's right. Yeah, so if you are enjoy the video, please give it a like, hype, share.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. Share it with your
family, grandma, grandpa.
Yeah. Send it to your brother.
Meemaw.
Yeah, your papa.
Papa.
The popo. All the peeps.
All the peeps.
What else?
That should be all, but I'm starving, so let's go.
Yeah, man, let's go. We don't want to be late for our date. Oh, we are wearing orange. Why are we wearing orange?
Well, it's coming into hunting season, so.
Yeah, we don't want Juicy to get shot.
No.
That would be epically sad.
That would be. No more rides.
Yeah, for all of us.
For all of us.
I mean, I could drive this thing, but I wouldn't want to clean it. Screw that.
That's the deal breaker?
Yeah. Yup.
All right, let's go.
All right, later. Stay tuned. It's going to be awesome today. So excited. We did wash the buggy. Oh, you did some maintenance too, didn't you?
I did, yeah. I changed all the diff fluids and transmission fluid. Cleaned the clutch.
New air filter.
New air filter.
Yeah, she got a little sassy last weekend. We pushed her a little hard.
Yeah, so. The clutch was terribly dusty.
It's been so brutally dry.
I recommend every couple rides, just pull that clutch cover off and blow it out really good. You'll get a lot better life expectancy out of your belt.
Yeah.
Let alone the wear on all the bushings and the rollers in there and the lifters, and
yeah, it
definitely sounds a lot better when it's not all full of crud in there. But
yeah, already loving less dust today.
Yes,
just on the ride down the 13 miles. Yeah. Okay, stay tuned.
There we go.
Bye bye. All right, we're just pulling in here to Serenity. Oh, he's got a nice little. We're gonna drop off Jim's buggy here. Stopping here at the Serenity Campground. What a beautiful view they have. This is just right down the road from Combs Café. Pretty nice setup. Well, what are we doing, JC?
We're rolling out.
Just dropped old Mr. Jim off here at his campground because his side-by-side just has a half windshield and we're fixing to get some rain. So we're gonna cost him money because he's riding in the Expedition today.
Sorry, buddy.
Woo! So it's just the two of us today. It's gonna be a good run, I feel like.
Yeah, it should be real all good.
We're gonna see a lot of beautiful stuff. Beaver hunting?
Gonna go beaver hunting? Well, I'd go beaver hunting every chance I get, honey.
You can't say that!
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh my god. Alright, this is the beaver pond here. It's really muddy. Very muddy. it's kind of going.
I think it always kind of goes a little bit.
Yeah, but I mean more than that. I don't know though. There's not a lot of water in the creek. Everyone thought today was going to be a washout.
Day's still young.
True. How gorgeous. The Ozarks be popping today, y'all. Oh, it's gorgeous back here, guys. What do you guys think? You approve? $42.90 Falls, named after the county road it's on. County Road, Johnson County Road 4290. Richard, can you do some content with your phone for TikTok? OHV trail. We got our own little sign.
Oh, I didn't have that before.
How cute.
They didn't have that before.
Wow, that's special. Gold.
A little windy around here.
Forward.
Oh, you just called.
There's some views out there, Juicy.
There is.
But you watch the road.
I got this.
Oh my gosh. It's just a sheer drop off a cliff.
Yeah, that's a pretty good drop too.
Of course, this is when it's going to start pouring.
Yeah, I think it's raining now out there.
1400B. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
Yeah, we're very cool. Easy trail.
Yeah. Ooh, look at the moss on these rocks. Got the moss and the ferns and the pine needles. Big old fresh tree in the, dang, that's freshly sawed. Ooh, I hope we fit through there. I'm good on this side. Big old booty Gigi. Tied like a tiger.
Tight like a tiger.
Grr.
Grr. It is a really pretty trail.
Man, this is a scenic route for sure. I like it. Looks like they had some big old trees down on this. Dang, that's a freshie. That's newly sawed also.
Yeah.
Dang.
Thank God they're sawed.
That would suck.
I didn't bring no saw.
Got no gas in it. We're getting closer to the waterfall trail.
Trailhead anyway.
Yep. I don't think there's gonna be water. I hate to break it to you.
I don't think there will be either.
Everywhere where there's usually water, there's no water. So, but it's still gonna be pretty.
Oh yeah, it'll be great.
So you want to make sure you watch this whole video. worth it, right, GC?
It's really pretty, yeah.
We're not gonna have as much water as we had hoped for, unfortunately. That's really sad. Makes me kind of depressed. Normally this is all water. That's
pretty, I think, either way.
a bun mom. Fogging up, GC. Breathing so hard. Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
I can tell. Jeez. Man.
Normally that's a waterfall on the right there.
Little drips. Not much. This is normally where the creek is.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what a bust. Oh man. Shoot.
Well, I guess we're going for scenic today, not waterfalls.
Yeah. At least there's no dust. That just means we gotta come back here like next month. A little bit of water here. Trail. 10 out of 10.
It's just fun to drive it anyway.
I think it's my favorite trail, honestly. Every time I come here, my mind's like blown.
You forget how scenic it is.
Yeah, and splashy. It's always splashy.
Always.
And then when you have the creek crossings on top of it, it's epic. That's kind of surprising.
I know.
You've already said that before twice. Surprised. This whole journey we haven't seen anybody else.
Nope, no other riders.
And Mulberry Mountain was full. The whole campground reserved.
Really?
Yeah. That's what Michelle said. She got the last two spots.
That's right, she did.
Yeah.
Huh.
Where'd everybody go?
They ain't down here in Spainhour.
Thank goodness, Juicy. Thank goodness. Oh, there's a sign. Now there's some hiking falls you could go to. I certainly wouldn't do it today.
No.
Alright, well I want to come back here in December then.
Yeah, I think we should.
Yep. afraid. I don't know if that thing's waterproof or not. I really don't want to find out.
I'm thinking that it's not.
I don't think it is either. So one of these holes is deep. Not that one.
Not that one.
A little bit. Oh, how pretty. Pretty good picture.
That twisty little tree.
Yeah. The blue water. I feel like this is some really good content.
Yeah.
Now we're back to green again. Oh, so this is the hole right here. Yeah, it is. No, it is. Look, there's a go around. No? That's not it. I was wrong. It's not the hole.
I thought it was maybe that was it.
Maybe it's just low because it's dry. I didn't think there was a go around, but this one, yeah, this is gonna be deep. Oh, shit, it came in! I got my stockies wet!
Yeah, my boots
Oh my gosh, that's deep!
That was the one.
Last time I didn't film it because I wasn't expecting it.
Yeah, they were totally caught us
And
off guard.
everyone was like, holy crap, that
Oh
was
my gosh,
deep.
that was deep.
Woo, yeah, yeah. Nice. Heck yeah. We made it to Spainhour. I guess it's kind of going. Wow, I've never seen it this low. But the trail here was worth it. It's epic. It's kind of going, Juicy. What a beautiful spot, even in the rain. Someone made rocks. Looks like. Well, on the plus side, never been on this side of the waterfall. It's kind of going, Juicy. Yeah?
Well, normally every one of those little waterfalls. Wow, this is a big tree. Hello?
bring you back here again when it does have water.
That's right. Or watch some previous videos.
Oh, or yeah, watch some previous videos. Yeah.
A little bit older ones. But
yeah. Oldies but goodies.
Oldies but goodies.
Loop around towards Oark. So if you're at this point in the ride and you need to fuel up, we are going to hit up a gas station on the way back.
I would recommend fueling.
Yeah, 24-hour gas. So from Combs to here it was 48 miles.
Yes.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Oh. This was the most direct way, but the way back is going to be a little bit longer.
Yeah, right now, kind of out and around a little bit.
But it's going to be a decent track. Like,
it's real good.
Yeah. So if you just want to sit back and relax and enjoy the ride, not have to worry about the map, check this track out on the Patreon. I love this next opening. It's pretty.
This right here.
Yeah. This normally is all water. Look at those tree roots. That's cool.
The rock is so
Yeah.
like squared.
Yeah, it's like stacked. Layered. Pretty cool. Yeah, had to stop here at Grumpy's, you know, because we're out here and we need a snack.
Only Richard gets jalapeno.
Oh, yeah. Check out this lunch. These are huge.
He's going to have to eat part of your meal.
Well, we're
That's
supposed
what
to be
she said.
sharing. That's what she said. We're supposed to be sharing, and he got 2 tacos.
Sorry, you'll have to
You're here all day.
Yeah, you'll have to cut that one out.
No, I would
That's
not.
what she said. These are huge.
Looks good. All right, we made it to Oark. We're gonna get some fuel. Use the ladies' room. Still pretty busy. Look at these old cars.
It's raining.
Yeah, I mean, we're not gonna get dirty on this ride, are
No,
we?
I don't think we get wet or dirty.
We have all the elements here. Rain, mud, fog.
Lack of visibility.
Yeah, but the Inferno defog's
It
doing
was
great.
good.
Got a little bit of standing water going on the road. But what?
Great.
This is BA, right? We're having the time of our lives.
Absolutely.
Good solid hour to get back to Combs.
Yeah.
Yep. Got a nice steady rain. Did get a little chilly, but that's okay. Got heated seats.
Yeah. I don't even have mine on. Oh, shoot.
Oh shoot, do you see?
Turn my seat on.
I am.
I forgot I turned it on.
Paul and Jim are doing great in the baby Jeep.
Baby Jeep.
Oh. He said he does have a little bit of a leak in the cab.
That poor feller.
Yeah, it's hard for me to feel.
3 drops, it sounded
It's
like.
really hard for me to feel sorry for him.
Well, why?
Literally, the end of this ride. Rode hard, put up wet,
Yep.
meaning our jackets.
Absolutely.
We are soaked. Thank goodness for rain suits.
These rain suits are awesome.
They are awesome. The only thing that's wet are my socks because I walked in the creek in Crocs.
Yeah, my boots are a little
I mean,
wet.
that probably wasn't the most intelligent thing to do, but Whoa, JC.
Hey, it rained.
Yeah.
Still raining.
Yeah.
But there's blue skies that come.
I know. Now it's like a nice sunny day. We better keep going.
We got plenty of gas now.
All right, we did 104 miles just in our track today.
Yep.
What'd you think about that run?
Great run.
Oh, man.
I love riding in the rain. I really do.
Yeah, that was, and it wasn't like a pour down rain.
No,
it
it was just raining.
Just a rain.
Fine.
Yeah, I mean, we didn't melt.
Spainhour was unfortunately not going very much as a waterfall, but the trail getting there was
Still splashy.
very splashy, very fun.
Yeah, that was epically fun.
And it's just a beautiful trail anyway, a lot of bluffs. And
I was pleasantly impressed.
pleasantly impressed. And then coming back, we took the chimney trail back in the pouring down rain, and it was muddy
Oh,
and
man.
splashy.
Yeah.
Considering how muddy it was, it don't look too bad.
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
Great time.
Great time with our new friend from Colorado.
Yep, Jim.
Think he had a blast, and thanks to Paul for
Yeah.
letting him ride with him because he only had a halfy windshield and he would have been
Miserable.
miserable today.
Yes.
So Paul saved the day on that one.
Absolutely.
Yeah. Made it so we were able to get in a 100-mile run, and he even brought a pie home to his wife
That's
from
right.
Oark. Yeah.
Great time though.
Yeah.
Great time.
Yep. So I guess now it's time to,
Book on home.
we're gonna go home,
Yep. Make some dinner.
dry out.
Dry off.
We rode hard and put up wet.
That's right.
Literally.
Literally.
Our coats are soaked. Thank goodness for rain suits.
Man, these things are great. I bet underneath is
Dry.
dry as a bone.
Yeah. Boy, some of those puddles were coming in pretty good.
Yeah, I had one of them in my head and it went clean over the whole buggy. Right over the top. And this thing don't sit low.
Oh man, that was so fun. I had a blast.
Great.
I don't know if my cheeks kind of hurt from smiling so much.
I know.
All right, Juicy, what do you say?
Thanks for watching. Always an adventure.
Yeah, buddy, sure was. Yep,
It's
making sure I'm recording. That would suck. All right, gotta go.
Gotta go.
All right, bye. Later. Did you guys get wet? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, bye. So we're just gonna take a picture of the buggy under the bridge. Joey loves Juicy. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if it translates, but I can't tell. My contacts are messed. Alright, bye. Later again. Just wanted to show, like, literally. Look at all the grit and grime in our back seat. But look at this view. The sun kind of popped out. Juicy's looking for the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow, but we can't find either.
There ain't no rainbow today. Surprisingly.
No, it's got to be coming. Sun, rain, that's what makes rainbows.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Got a Kawasaki Terex 4 Blackout Edition. Got it over in Oklahoma last weekend.
It sound right, boys.